Hello everyone, welcome back to another recap. Today we're going to talk about 3 trades I took and how I also missed one long in the opening. The trade I missed today is the one with the first percentage fair value gap. I was supposed to take long after the first percentage fair value gap was formed. As we can see, it was formed here, but what happened? Price closed so far from it. He closed like 20 points away, and I wanted, because I have seen it before, how price usually retests the first percentage fair value gap, so I wanted to wait for price to hit that. And because of that, I didn't enter after this candle close. I waited, and as we can see, price never reached that imbalance, so I missed the trade. It's fine, I was fine with it. That's what happened when you try to get the best price. It's something to learn. After that, I couldn't take any trades in this uptrend leg. Not a clear pullback. The only pullback price did was here, and when I saw it, I got ready to enter for more upside. I saw the first try, it failed. However, we have a S&T here. ES took this low, NQ stay above. Let's see if we can see it. Right here. Right here. ES took this low. NQ didn't, so I wanted to enter on a retest. Look at this retest, how nice. This is the actual trade. I was thinking that maybe I could see this as the actual trade, therefore as we can see, price hit the 1-to-1, and I was thinking that maybe I entered too late or too early at a higher price, because I didn't want the same thing to happen in the opening, that I missed this trade waiting for price to come to this imbalance. I missed this uptrend, so I didn't want that to happen again. So I enter around here. I risk the same, but the thing is that since my enter is over here, now my 1-to-1, it's a little bit higher. But I was thinking at the end, price did came to the imbalance, and now this is the actual trade, and I could maybe edit the trade. Make you know Solana, and what do you think he would do in some hours? Thank you. How's it going, brother? I actually don't trade stocks, or I don't know what Solana is, if it's a crypto. As you can see, I have no knowledge about it, so I don't think my input will help you, honestly. So I was saying that maybe after I saw price hitting this imbalance, I could go higher with the stop loss, maybe re-enter one more contract, and then take profit at the actual 1-to-1. I don't know, it's something I was thinking about. But well, price moved a little bit in my favor, but immediately we did a lower high with high of day, which was done at 10 a.m. and lower high, and then another lower high and an immediate reversal. I was thinking I don't want to see price below this fair value gap. So even though my stop loss is around here, it's below this low. If a candle close below this imbalance, this is also a good setup for more downside. So I will stop, I will exit here and reverse the trade. Hey Tuki, how's it going, man? I took 3 trades today. I am taking a look at them now. The first one didn't work. It was long. I entered long here and I reversed the trade around here. As we can see, it's my stop loss and also a reverse. So I exit my one contract long and enter with another contract short. Again, my target was a 1-to-1. Yeah. Stop loss above that swing high. And as we can see, price didn't go against me a little bit, so I could add one more contract. It didn't. So most of this win were less than $100 because it was only like 45 points, something like that in this one. So the first 2 trades, long, I got stop out. Actually, I reversed the trade before I got stop out. I knew that price falling after reacting to this imbalance, it was not a good sign, price closing below this inverse, this fair value gap, so I decided to reverse the trade. And that's my first winning trade of the day. Again, started to recognize this as a new trend, even though in the higher time frame it looks like an uptrend. Here it looks like an option, but I believe that after this pullback, buyers failed to take new high of day. Therefore, I started to recognize this as a new trend and I wanted to enter shorts. I saw this pullback. It's a weak try for the buyers once again. And even though my entry, it's not in an imbalance, it was at a level. We have the first presented fair value gap around here. So I was thinking price probably it's targeting the first presented fair value gap. So we have a 5-minute inverse here. I would not enter at the 5-minute, even though it looks beautiful. I would not enter because it's not an entry for me. It's not a setup for me. It's just an imbalance. I want to see the reaction out of it and then see if I can, after we react nicely, I would like to enter shorts. If we don't do any setup here, then that would be the idea. Wait for price to react to this 5-minute inverse and then enter shorts. We have the nice reaction. It's this here. And then I enter below this up close candle in the 1 minute because if we look at the 1-to-1, look, it's exactly at the first presented fair value gap. That's why I entered there. I saw, as you can see, my target was at 14. Look this candle what it did. It got very close. This candle low is 15. My target is at 14. And it didn't fill the order. So because this was the first presented fair value gap, I didn't want to be on a trade. It was 11.15, 11.20. I didn't want to be on this trade for longer time because we could expect a small pullback here. So I decided to close the trade after I saw the reaction to the first presented fair value gap. It almost hit my target. It didn't, but it wouldn't be the first time that price get very, very close to my target and reverse on me. So I saw this reaction and decided to close the position. The 15 minutes, your key to all key levels. I started also to watch more the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, it gave me a better idea where the trend is, because all my entries are usually in the 1 minute, and sometimes I'm not sure if price is doing a pullback or it's reversing, so I go and take a look at the 15 minute. I like to watch when I'm trading. I like to watch the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minutes. Less trades, it's better. I usually take no more than 3 trades a day. And if I do 2 consecutive losing trades, then I stop trading for the day. But that's it, only 3 trades today. The reason it looks like this is because I'm copying trading another account. That's why it looks like entry, this, and it looks like a bunch of things, but it's just 1 trade, 2 trades, and 3 trades. I was done by 11:17. Made 10% of my account in 1 day. Is that bad? I don't think it's that bad, even though I don't treat it that way. I don't even know how much I made percent of my account. The way I trade, I just risk $100 to make $100. All my trades are 1-to-1 right now. So 10% on $1,000 account, it's a $100. So it's not bad. Why 1-to-1? I'm still learning, and I feel that I have better chances hitting 1-to-1 trades. And even if it's not profitable, I think it's a good step to start, because it will be easier for me to go to my journal and then looking at the trades and started to studying and seeing that probably I could let my trades run, or maybe all my winning trades go for 3-to-1, or that kind of information. But I just like to close the trades 1-to-1 now. Maybe in the futures, when I look at my journal, I realize I could go for a 3-to-1 or a 2-to-1, but as of now, I just started and I'm collecting data, and I think a 1-to-1, it's a simple way of trading, in my opinion. The way I trade, it's just a simple way to collect data. That's why I do 1-to-1. It honestly doesn't have anything special about it. I just think that starting from a point where you don't know what really works, I think you have, of course, it's common sense, you have better chances to hit 1-to-1 and 2-to-1. No, I'm just taking a look at my trades today, and that's it. I'm done for now. I do this every day. I live stream in the morning, and then in the afternoon I just go over the trades. But that's it. Done for the day. Only 3 trades. Missed the long in the opening. Try again long after seeing what it looks like a pullback. It didn't work out. Reverse. Pullback. Again, another short. So 1 win, 2 loss. What's your thought on MSTR? I don't know. I only trade NQ and ES. That's it. I don't watch stocks. I don't watch gold. Only NQ and sometimes ES. So you're a big trader. I like smaller stock. Not really, it's just I just don't trade stocks. I started trading options and I also do profit. So I don't know what you mean by big trader. Like I say, I only risk $100 to make $100, but I only do with futures. What's your trading goal? Being consistent and profitable. But as of now, being consistent, I think consistency, even if losing, I will be able to gather good information and make a good strategy work for me. So my goal, honestly, right now, it's being consistent. It sounds easy, but when you losing day after days, or what I used to do, it's just switch to another strategy, switch to risk more, and switch, and my journal looks really bad. So I decided that I wanted to try one thing for at least 3 months, and then I'm sure I'll be able to be a better trader after 3 months trying the same thing, because I will be able to see real data. But my goal right now is being consistent. I think that will bring profits. How long have you been trading? I have been trading for 1.5 years, but I started a new way of trading, or a new approach to trading, around 1 month ago. So I would say that 1 year, it was just learning the basic, learning about profits, learning about long shorts, learning about when to click, how to click to enter on a trade, things like that. But keep going, bro. Appreciate it, Adam. What is this? This is NQ. I'm just taking a look at the trades I took today, and I was about to finish. I took 3 trades today. My first trade was a long. It was a loss. I reversed. I got my second trade and first win there, and then waited for this pullback and got in another short, and I finished the day at. Are you gonna do gold? No, brother. I only do NQ. NQ, and also I'm learning to trade ES as well, when I realize it's better to trade ES instead of NQ, but Yes, I'm done for the day. Actually, market is close right now. That's why I decided to do this now. But I'm done. I only trade the AM session. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to end it here. I'm done today too. I'm 103 US profit for today. That's very nice, brother. I think I am around 97, 93 up for the day. Let me see if I can show it. Give me 1 second. I'm going to show it right now. Right there. Yeah. It was a I think this is the first time I do 2 consecutive winning day since I started. And it was Friday. Friday was a winning day, and today was also a winning day. I copy trade one account, that's why you'll see double, but it's just one account. I mean, yeah, it's just 3 trades, but I have my funded future account copying my main account. Yeah, take it easy. I will. Yeah, I'm planning on staying disciplined and consistent, and see it working. It will work. I hope it goes the same way to you, brother. Take care. I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much. We'll talk. I'll be live tomorrow as well. I'll see you in Dubai. All right, brother. I'll see you there. Bye bye. Take care, brother.